This is from Alan Shore, who does a lot of that neuropsychiatric research I spoke about around attachment. But when we think about characteristics that build healthy attachment, and that video I showed you just before the break, which I think uses that really lovely analogy of air traffic control, which I find really good for explaining to young people themselves what's going on in your busy brain. Why is it that you end up in a fight when you really tried not to, when you tried so hard not to get into trouble? How come trouble came? And we think about, well, you had all of these thoughts coming in and out like airplanes and they crashed. So I've used that quite a bit with young people, but also their parents and caregivers, and even in school settings to talk to teachers about what is it like to be a child who is dysregulated, who finds it so difficult to build healthy attachments in a group setting, and what that does to their brain. But I like this building block analogy, taking that a step further.